All right, let's go through the growth of apple plants and their benefits in detail, long enough for a 5-minute talk or video narration. Introduction. Apple plants are among the most popular and widely cultivated fruit trees in the world. They grow best in temperate regions where summers are not too hot and winters are cool enough for the trees to rest. Countries like the USA, China, and Turkey are leading producers, but apples are also grown in parts of Pakistan, especially in Balochistan, Gilgit-Baltistan, and Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. The growth of an apple plant is a fascinating process that takes several years and requires patience, care, and suitable conditions. 2. Germination and early growth. Apple growth begins with a seed, but commercial growers usually use grafting rather than planting seeds. Here's why. Seeds from apples don't produce identical trees to the parent because apples are genetically diverse. Grafting ensures that the new plant has the same fruit quality as the parent tree. The process starts when a rootstock, a strong, disease-resistant root plant, is joined with a scion, a cutting from the desired apple variety. This combined plant becomes a young sapling. The sapling is then planted in a nursery for about 1 to 2 years, where it develops roots and shoots. 3. Vegetative growth stage. After transplanting the young plant into the orchard, it enters its vegetative stage. This means the plant focuses on leaf, root, and branch growth. During this period, sunlight, water, and nutrients are crucial. The tree needs well-drained soil rich in organic matter. The ideal pH for apple soil is between 6.0 and 7.0. Farmers prune the plant regularly to shape it properly and to ensure that sunlight reaches all branches. Pruning also helps the tree produce healthy fruits later. This stage usually lasts about 3 to 5 years, depending on the variety and growing conditions. 4. Flowering stage. Once the tree becomes mature, it starts producing flower buds, usually in early spring. The flowers are beautiful and have white or pink petals. Each flower has both male and female parts. But cross-pollination, when pollen from one apple tree fertilizes another, produces the best fruit. Bees and other insects play a big role here, carrying pollen between trees. The success of pollination determines how many apples will develop. 5. Fruit development. After successful pollination, the flower petals fall off and the fruit begins to form. The small green fruit grows gradually over 3 to 4 months. During this stage, the tree needs plenty of water, but not waterlogging. Farmers apply fertilizers containing nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. Pest control is also very important, as insects like aphids and fruit moths can damage the developing apples. By late summer or early autumn, apples reach their full size and color. The time of harvesting depends on the variety. For example, Red Delicious, Golden Delicious, or Fuji each ripen at different times. 6. Maturity and harvesting. Once mature, apples are handpicked carefully to avoid bruising. Farmers sort and store them in cold storage to maintain freshness. A healthy apple tree can live for 30 to 50 years, and a single mature tree can produce 200 to 400 apples each year. 7. Benefits of apple plants. Apple trees are not only valuable for their fruit, they offer many other benefits. Shared nutritional benefits. Apples are rich in vitamins A, C, and E and contain dietary fiber. They are low in calories and help in digestion and heart health. The saying, "an apple a day keeps the doctor away," reflects their health value. Environmental benefits. Apple orchards produce oxygen and absorb carbon dioxide, improving air quality. The trees prevent soil erosion with their roots. They support biodiversity, providing habitat and food for bees,